Captain, she's highly trained. Deception, infiltration, extraction. She's special forces.
Iden Versio. Inferno Squad. Commander Versio. You must be important. Look at me. So let's talk facts. That's what I'm here for. You have the activation code. I've got the ability to help you out. Just give me the code. You know we can really use someone like you. Just help me and I'll help you. It's that easy. I'm gonna get what I want eventually. My best technicians are slicing into your droid right now. Take on my offer. All I want is the code. The Empire's time has come. You don't have to go down with it.
You're right. The Empire's time has come. VZ 626.
What have we here? An ID-10 tactical droid. You're way more advanced than the ID-9. Slicing into you is not going to be easy.
Might I suggest a less invasive procedure?
Wish I could, but we don't have the droid's access code.
Might I suggest finding the access code?
The captain's working on that in the detention center. Until then, the only way to access this droid's data is to pry the memory core out of its shell.
Analysis shows this ID-10 has been modified with an electroshock prompt.
Which can't do anything if the droid is deactivated. Until it hears the access code, this ID-10 can't do a thing.
Might I suggest...
Please, just let me work in peace.
Understood. I shall remain silent until you have finished defacing that ID. Sir, it appears the ID-10 has been remotely activated.
Droid, execute the plan. Download the ship schematics from their computers, then come find me.
Don't touch that. Send reinforcements immediately. I don't mind saying that I don't like you. Not one bit. If I had my legs, I would... Well, I don't know what I'd do, but I'm sure you'd be very sorry.
Use the ventilation system to reach me.
You worry too much. Do I? You know who's in our cell block, right? Some big shot Imperial, Special Forces. What the? Vents are acting up again.
There's nothing special about Endor. Except the want to build a new Death Star.
You ever heard of the Sanctuary Moon? The Force Moon of Endor isn't exactly a famous destination. too much. Do I? You know who's in our cell block, right? Something shot Imperial. Exactly. I don't like it. Cell block is how it started. Heavily. Even if she somehow...
Command wants a report on that Imperial cuthouse being detected. Thanks. We need any information that can confirm the Death Star attack at Endor.
Remember, you don't have security clearance. You'll have to slice open doors.
Hey, how's that decryption coming along? Command is expecting updates before Endor if possible.
Taking longer than expected. Encryption is surprisingly complex. I'll do what I can to hurry things up, but no promises.
There are too many rebels outside my cell. Find another way.
First we intercept the Imperial message. Trooper. Plus they just located the new Death Star. Yeah. Blaze Squad, Red Squad. We're really gonna win a war. I can feel it in my bones. Before you know
Ejected central catacooling cell. Entering lockdown. Please maintain security protocol.
Lockdown. You'll need to deactivate it from one of their terminals. Contact me when it's done.
How does it look? You were right. This ion cannon power coupling is fried.
If you're done, regroup with me. It's time. I hear you through the vent. You're close. Get down here.
Right on time. Let's go.
Agent Hask, do you read me?
Loud and clear, Commander Versio. You're right on time.
I'm moving to the communications center.
Copy that.
Once I've located and destroyed the stolen Imperial message, I will signal for extraction.
Hey, that's enough! You're locked up until after Endor. After that, we'll figure out what to do with you. So, until then, just sit down and be quiet.
Figured out you wanted to be caught?
Never crossed their mind.
To be fair, we're operating outside protocol. We should have just blown up their ship.
Would have raised too many questions. For this to work, we need to be subtle.
I understand, Commander.
Calling the Invincible Faith. By now, you are aware of the beacon directing Alliance ships to the Galan system. With this ruse, we will divert the Empire's attention away from Sullust. We are amassing the fleet.
The rebels still think we don't know about Sullust. They have no idea what's waiting for them at Endor.
We need to keep it that way. If the rebels decrypt that transmission before I delete it, everything will fall apart. Slice this.
It's time. We're heading to Sullust to meet with the rest of the fleet.
Just got coordinates from the captain. Let's prime the hyperdrive.
Get him, droid! Need a slice.
I can't believe it's finally happening.
Don't get too excited. We're probably flying into the biggest battle we've ever seen.
Can we check on that Imperial transmission again? We're almost out of time.
I got yelled at last time. I'm not going back in there.
Agent Hask, I've reached the communication center. Deleting the message will trigger their alarm. Be ready for extraction.
Understood.
Show me threats. Go.
For the last time, please stop interrupting me. Imperial encryption is very complex.
I've located the encrypted intel.
This is Moff Wraith. We have new orders. The Imperial fleet will move to the far side of Endor. There we will wait for the rebels to attack. Then...
Purge complete. There's nothing for the rebels to learn.
Attention! An Imperial prisoner has escaped. She is extremely dangerous. Find her.
Agent Hask, it's time.
Beginning preparations.
I'll secure a blaster and reach the extraction point.
We found her!
I'm on the move.
So is the Corvus.
Watch out for the droid!
Don't let her escape!
Looking for enemies. Slicing.
That droid's a piece of work! Imperial
Threat analysis. Scanning.
Get ready!
Droid, slice it. Agent Hask, I'm in position.
Understood, Commander. Prepare for extraction. 3, 2, 1.
Agent Hask.
Commander on deck.
At ease.
Mission accomplished, Commander.
With 0 casualties. Looks like you're still second in command.
Oh, I'm patient. I can wait.
Agent Miko. Those jump calculations were perfect.
Thank you, ma'am. Hope the landing wasn't too rough.
Been through worse. Remember the Job S incursion?
Still haunts my dreams.
Contact the Admiral.
Yes, Commander. And the message?
The fleet's location is still safe. Today, the rebellion dies.
Get me Inferno Squad, now.
Report.
We have eyes on a rebel recovery team, Admiral, but we're too late to capture the saboteurs.
What's the status of the Death Star's shield generator?
Worse than expected. There's no way to repair or reactivate.
Then our battle station is vulnerable. Eliminate the rebels and return to the Corvus. The Emperor's plan must not fail.
Yes, sir. Agent Hask with me. Agent Miko, cover us from here. One target, dead ahead. Follow my lead.
Understood, Commander.